Hello friends, this is a topic about trigonometric application. Now, in this particular topic, what we are going to deal with is a person is standing on the bank of a river, observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree standing on the opposite bank is 60 degree. मतलब एक आदमी नदी के किनारे खड़ा है and he is observing that a tree is there on the other side of the river. The angle of elevation from where he is observing is 60 degree. When he moves 40 meter away from the bank, 40 meter नदी के किनारे से पीछे जाता है towards the other side of the river, he finds angle of elevation to be 30 degree. Find height of tree and width of river. To understand this question, we need to have a look at this particular figure. Now what I think is, this is the position of the tree. This distance x is the width of river. Y is the height of the tree and here is our observer. So first instance में observer क्या कर रहा है? He is observing from here. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. वो 60 degree ऊपर की तरफ देख रहा है and he can see the top of the tree over here. Then वो क्या करता है? The observer moves 40 meter behind. From C to position D he moves and now when he observes the tree, the angle is of 30 degrees. Now what we have over here is AB is height of tree, which is y. Here I can say AB is height of tree, which is y. BC is width of river, that is x. BC is x, AB is y. CD is 40 meter. The distance CD is 40 meter. Now angle C equal to 60 degree. Angle C is 60 degree and angle D is 30 degree. So what we can have over here is tan theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, the standard formula for tan. In triangle ABC, now one more thing we need to assume here is that the tree is standing erect at 90 degree. Therefore, trigonometric ratios can be applied in these triangles. First of all, we'll be trying for triangle ABC and then we will be trying for triangle ABD. Now, in triangle ABC, what we have over here is tan theta, matlab tan 60 will be opposite upon adjacent, that is y upon x. Similarly, in the bigger triangle ABD, tan 30 will be opposite upon adjacent, that is y upon x plus 40. ये पूरा distance है x plus 40. So using that things I can clearly write over here tan 60 is y upon x, tan 30 is y upon x plus 40. Now we clearly know that y upon x अगर tan 60 है तो y will be x multiplied by tan 60, that is x tan 60 equal to y. Similarly, if tan 30 is y upon x plus 40, y वहीं पे रहेगा, x plus 40 will shift over here, it will multiply with tan 30 and this becomes x plus 40 into tan 30. मैंने दोनों के बीच में y क्यों लिखा है? Because here x tan 60 is y and here x plus 40 into tan 30 is y. Y is common in both of them. So we can equate, अगर right hand side दोनों का equal आता है तो left hand side भी equal होता है. I can equate x tan 60 equal to x plus 40 into tan 30. Now to simplify this, what we can do, students who are weak in trigonometry, they can apply this. Tan 60 is sin 60 upon cos 60. Sin 60 होता है √3 upon 2, cos 60 होता है 1 upon 2. √3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled and the answer will be √3. Similarly, sin theta is 1 upon 2 and sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and cos 30 is √3 upon 2. 1 upon 2 divided by √3 upon 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled, the answer is 1 upon √3. So simplifying, what we will get over here is that x के साथ में √3 आता है and x plus 40 के साथ में 1 upon √3 आता है, मतलब x plus 40 upon √3. x √3 equal to x plus 40 upon √3. This √3 which is dividing over here, जब ये यहाँ से यहाँ shift होता है, this √3 will go over here and multiply with this √3. √3 multiply √3 will give you √3 का square and √3 का square is nothing but 3 only. So this whole term becomes 3x. Right side में बचेगा x plus 40. 3x and x plus 40, x will be shifted over here. 3x minus x is 2x. 2x equal to 40, which we can see over here, and if 2x is 40, 2 multiply x equal to 40, x as it is रहेगा, 2 दूसरी तरफ जाएगा, 40 को divide करता है, 40 divided by 2, x equal to 20. So this is x equal to 20 meters, but x है क्या? x is the width of the river. Width of the river आपको 20 meters मिल गया. Now use a formula. You can use एनी फॉर्मूला आउट ऑफ दिस. √3 इक्वल टू y बाई 20. यहाँ पर देखते हैं tan 60 का वैल्यू है √3 और y बाई x आता है. y आपके पास आपको डिटरमाइन करना, यू नीड टू डिटरमाइन द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री एंड x इज विड्थ ऑफ रिवर. विड्थ ऑफ रिवर में आएगा 20. सो दिस विल बी √3 and 20 will come here. 20 multiply √3. 20 multiply √3 will be 20 multiply 1.73. Now 1.73 into 20. 20 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 2 into 10. 10 into 1.73. This decimal will jump one time to the right side. जब भी हम 10, 100, 1000 इससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं डेसिमल राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करते जाता है, और जब डिवाइड करते हैं डेसिमल शिफ्ट टू द लेफ्ट साइड. सो 10 into 1.73 will give you 17.3. 17.3 multiply by 2 will give you 34.6 meters, which is height of the tree. This is this particular question. Now another question which I have from one of my student is, eliminate theta from given equation. X equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta. I'm really very sorry about the background disturbance, but I can't help. X equal to a cot theta minus b cosec theta. Y equal to a cot theta plus b cosec theta. These are the two given equations. We need to eliminate theta from the given equation. So how to eliminate theta from the given equation? Well, I tried this question in 2 or 3 different ways, but this is the best possible way which I got. Now how to manage this? Please do not directly square it, because अगर आप इसको directly square करके सोचोगे add करने के लिए, you will be stuck. This answer will go nowhere because there is a square and b square coming into picture. Now in order to remove theta, after 2 or 3 times I got this particular method to solve. Let's analyze this, how I have done this. X plus y. First I have added both of them. X plus y, when you add, you will be adding a cot theta minus b cosec theta plus a cot theta plus b cosec theta. Now जब आप इसको add करते हो, this is minus b cosec theta and this is plus b cosec theta. This is same like minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 cancel हो जाते हैं. So both of this will be gone. What remains with you is a cot theta plus a cot theta is 2a cot theta, which I have written over here. Now 2a cot theta में cot theta will remain as it is. 2a इसके साथ multiply हो रहा है. It will shift on the other side and this will be x plus y divided by 2a. So what we can write? Cot theta equal to x plus y upon 2a. When we use the same methods for the other one, same methods अगर दूसरे में apply करते हैं, means we are trying to subtract it. Now when we are trying to subtract this x and y, this will be x minus y. When you do x minus y, a cot theta minus a cot theta will be gone. Minus b cosec theta minus b cosec theta will be minus 2b cosec theta, which you can clearly see over here. Minus 2b cosec theta. Now this means that a cot theta minus b cosec theta we have already. So we have minus 2b cosec theta, which means x minus y upon minus 2b. Minus 2b goes over here. X minus y upon minus 2b. This is equal to cosec theta. Cot theta term we have, cosec theta term we have. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. This is a standard trigonometric identity. Using this, what we can do over here is, cot theta का square आप करोगे, you will be getting cot square theta. X plus right side में अगर आप square करते हो तो left side में also you will have your square, that is x plus y upon 2a का square. Here you will be having cosec square theta और ब्रैकेट में आएगा x minus y upon minus 2b का स्क्वायर. नाउ यूजिंग दीज थिंग्स, cot square theta और cosec square theta के values I have replaced in this equation. You can clearly see that I have removed cot square theta and cosec square theta. Ideally you can leave your solution here itself, because according to the question what they have demanded, eliminate theta from equation. I have eliminated theta from equation, but in order to simplify this I have done 2 more steps. वो 2 steps क्या है? Let's see. 1 plus x plus y whole square upon 2a का square. 2a का square will be 4a square, and here minus 2b का square will be 4b square. Minus का square plus आता है, so it will be 4b square. Numerators will remain as it is. Now I have just done one small adjustment. पहले मैंने सबको 4 से multiply किया. I have multiplied with 4. This becomes 4. This 4 gets cancelled. This 4 gets cancelled. Then what I have done is that I have shifted this term to the other side. What it means that x minus y square upon b square remains as it is, but ये जो प्लस में है x plus y square upon a square, this is shifted on the other side and becomes minus, and 4 remains here it is. That's all we have in this particular solution. Now for videos like this, kindly like and subscribe my channel @Vishal Singh QT9UQ. For any kind of doubts, you have got my email ID vsverysimplemethods@gmail.com. That's my email. 9892318722 is my WhatsApp, and vsverysimplemethods is my Instagram ID. One more small update which I wanted to give is that soon enough I'll be starting with YouTube live sessions, because in the video I am constrained with limited number of questions which I can solve, and students have been posting up plenty of questions which I want to solve, but I'm not getting sufficient time. So I cannot guarantee at what time I'll be having my first YouTube live session, but it will be soon enough. Stay updated on the channel and keep showing your love and support. Whatever you understand from here, please do share with your friends as well. Thank you so much.